It's late. With Anais. We actually didn't introduce you last time.
Yes.
This is my friend Anais. She's from Mauritius. She's my neighbor. Technically far away neighbor. Today we are going to make
Some
plushies. It's called plushies.
Yeah.
It's like a little teddy. I'm excited. It's gonna be so fun. Let's go. Okay, we're folding rabbits. Anais is doing the bear, I'm doing the rabbit. I'm so bad at this. Very tall.
Oh yeah. Mine is really full.
Where's yours? I don't decide if like I should do the big eye or the small eye. It's giving Sid the sloth. Toch shy man. So clumsy. She's going to Thailand.
Ooh.
But she's not a very good swimmer.
So she has to
She
wear
needs, what do you call this?
a
tube.
floater, like
Floater? Yeah, floaty.
floaty.
She needs a floaty. I'm a little girl again. Almost like Build-A-Bear vibes. Build-A-Bear vibes, but very cute and tiny. And change the narrative. She's now a drunk beach party girl, and she loves soju. And her friend is just a very cute and innocent little ballerina. It's so bad just carrying my kids around like this and I cannot put them in the bag. Anais's one baby looks like her, literally the exact same outfit. 안녕하세요.
Are you a student
She's a student.
Yeah.
I'm a teacher. Yes.
In your country or in Korea?
Both. Yeah, in my country and Korea. Yeah. We live here. Yeah. That's so nice. I was telling her now I want to do this, like voluntary stuff.
We are Christian, so
Yeah, same, me too. Yeah.
we live in Seoul and Pohang and
Ah,
another place.
very
And you
cool.
come here, do you come here every week?
Every 1 month.
Every month? Once a month?
If you want to join,
I'd love to.
yeah.
So we're at Seoul Station, and this is like famous for like all the homeless people staying in this station. And oh, it's really sad. Oh no, it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. The people sleep here in the station exit 6. I'm assuming a few of the exit. This is like, yeah.
Most of them are like old people.
Yeah, it's mostly old people from like the older generation who grew up like struggling after the wars and stuff. And so sad. So sad. I'm still here at Seoul Station and I'm gonna find a bus now and go to Noksapyeong area, HBC, go to Seoul and meet my friend Kai Kyle and we're gonna have some wine. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. This was so fun. I am absolutely in love with this cute random cafe that we found. It was so quiet, and that like blows my mind that there are such cool cafes that no one really goes to or know about. That bus ride was horrible and so crowded, and I'm late, and Kyle is so South African. He's been rushing me this whole time. Kyle, if you're watching this, look, I'm actually running to meet you, Kyle. It's a storm. It's a storm. I was planning a perfect lazy day in bed, and then I got asked to join one of the burlesque classes like last minute, and I was like, fuck it, okay, let's do it. Oh, I'm walking in puddles. I'm really rushing. Finally made it. I'm a few minutes late, but I made it. And yeah, let's go dancing. We're gonna do a little dance class today. I do these like once or twice a month, but I haven't gone to one in a while. And yeah, really fun. I'm so excited. Just finished my dance class. It was really fun and very daunting at the same time because it's burlesque, and it was like a basics on burlesque workshop that I'm still trying to figure out for my future endeavors, but I'm very grateful for it. And I didn't film too much because it's like a very personal process. So yeah, I'm excited though. I feel good. I'm gonna head home now and just go have some lunch and just do homey things today. Today is just too rainy and stormy outside, so I'm gonna go home. Oh wait, the rain stopped, but I'm inside. I am just home. I'm watching true crime. I did some editing, made some YouTube banners and old thumbnails and posters for work stuff. So I've just been working and chilling, and it's so nice just being home and relaxing after a long weekend. But yeah, I want to show you guys my brand new little couch that I got, including like some of my other accessories that I changed in my place very recently.